Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. Today, we'll be cultivating the beautiful quality of compassion, starting with kindness toward ourselves and then extending it outward to others. Find a comfortable position where you can relax completely. This practice will help you connect with the natural warmth and love that already exists within your heart. Let's begin by settling into this moment. Allow your body to find its natural resting position. Feel yourself supported by whatever you're sitting or lying on. Let your hands rest comfortably, perhaps placing one hand on your heart and one on your belly. This gentle touch will help you stay connected to your body throughout our practice. Close your eyes softly and take a deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale, let go of any tension you've been holding. Breathe in peace and calm. Breathe out any stress or worry from your day. Take another slow, nourishing breath. Notice how your chest rises and falls with each breath. This rhythm has been with you since the moment you were born, a constant companion offering you life and vitality. Now, bring your attention to your heart center, the area in the middle of your chest. This is where we often feel emotions most deeply. Place both hands over your heart if that feels comfortable. Feel the gentle warmth of your palms against your chest. Begin by offering yourself some kind words, the same way you might comfort a dear friend who was struggling. Silently repeat these phrases to yourself, allowing them to sink into your heart. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. May I be free from suffering. As you repeat these words, notice how they feel in your body. There's no need to force any particular feeling. Simply offer these wishes to yourself with genuine intention. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. May I be free from suffering. If your mind wanders, or if you notice any resistance, that's perfectly natural. Simply return to the phrases with gentle kindness. Remember that you deserve compassion just as much as anyone else in this world. You are worthy of love and care. Continue breathing softly as you repeat these phrases. With each breath, imagine breathing in kindness and breathing out any self-judgment or criticism you may be holding. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. May I be free from suffering. Now think of someone you love dearly. This might be a family member, a close friend, a pet, or anyone who brings a smile to your heart. Picture this beloved being in your mind's eye. See their face, remember their kindness, feel the love you have for them. Extend the same compassionate wishes to this loved one. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you be free from suffering. Notice how it feels to send these loving wishes to someone you care about. Allow that warm feeling to grow and expand in your chest. This is a natural expression of your compassionate heart. Keep breathing gently as you continue. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you be free from suffering. Now expand your circle of compassion a little wider. Think of someone neutral in your life, perhaps a neighbor, a cashier at the store, or someone you see regularly but don't know well. This person, just like you, wants to be happy and free from suffering. Offer them the same kind wishes. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you be free from suffering. Notice that everyone you encounter is trying their best to navigate life's challenges, just as you are. We all share the same basic desires for happiness, health, and peace. If you feel ready, You can even extend these wishes to someone who has been difficult in your life. This doesn't mean condoning harmful behavior, but rather recognizing their humanity and their own struggles. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you be free from suffering. Finally, expand your compassion to include all beings everywhere. Picture in your mind people in your community, your country, and around the world. Include all living creatures, recognizing that we are all connected in this shared experience of being alive. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be at peace. May all beings be free from suffering. Rest for a moment in this feeling of universal compassion. Notice how your heart feels now. You have just practiced one of humanity's most beautiful qualities, the ability to wish well for yourself and others. As we prepare to close our practice, bring your attention back to yourself. Place your hands on your heart once more and take a deep breath. Thank yourself for taking this time to cultivate compassion. The kindness you've generated here will ripple out into your day and into the world. Take a few more conscious breaths, wiggling your fingers and toes gently. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to your surroundings. Carry this sense of compassion with you as you continue through your day. You have within you an endless wellspring of kindness and love. Thank you for sharing this practice with me.